Welcome to my channel, and today I will be making some ranch pork chops. The full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So please go ahead and like the video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. So here I'm starting off with the ranch seasoning, and here I have some black pepper, some dried dill weed, dried chives, garlic powder, onion powder. I'll be adding some mayo and milk as well. Now here I have some pork chops already washed, and I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste on both sides. Now I'm just going to spoon some of the ranch seasoning on top of the pork, and I'm just going to massage it into the pork. Now on a baking sheet, I went ahead and sprayed the pan with non-stick spray, and I'm going to add the pork chops to the pan. Then I'll be adding some potatoes. You can add whatever vegetable you like. You can add string beans, but I choose potatoes. And I'm going to stick this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 1 hour until it's nice and golden brown. Also, I'm sprinkling some salt on top of the potatoes, and I'll be drizzling some olive oil on top of the potatoes as well. After about 1 hour, your pork chop should look like this, nice and golden and tasty. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and again, you can see the ingredients in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.